Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will discuss one of the crucial topics for landing your dream job abroad, and that is crafting the perfect CV. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to make a change, these essential CV tips and the best online CV makers will help you stand out. So let's get started. First, let us talk about how you can customize your CV according to your profile. It's important to customize your CV to match the specific job you are applying for, highlighting your relevant skills and experience that directly relate to the job description. And trust me, this makes a huge difference. Next, keep your formatting clear and concise. Always use a clean, professional layout with consistent font styles and sizes which are easy to read yet catchy. Mostly try using bullet points as they make your CV easy to read. Now, let's talk about the professional summary. This is a brief section at the top of your CV where you highlight your key skills, experiences and career goals. Basically, it talks about your expertise, or in other way, think of it as your elevator pitch. Next, you need to highlight in your CV your achievements that make you stand out. So instead of just listing your job duties, focus on your accomplishments. Use quantifiable results like increased sales by 20%. It shows the impact that you have made. Keywords are another essential element. Incorporate keywords from the job description into your CV, and this helps your CV get past applicant tracking systems, or the ATS for short. Don't forget to include your education and certifications. List your educational background, any relevant certifications and coursework that applies to the job. Well, when it comes to work experience, list your job history starting from the most recent position. Use action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Be concise but informative. A skill section is also a must, where you highlight both your technical and your soft skills. So be honest and make sure they align with the job requirements. Next is make sure your contact information is up to date. Include your full name, your phone number, your email address and LinkedIn profile, and also make sure that you are active on LinkedIn. And finally, proofread your CV. Check for spellings and grammar errors, and it is always a good idea to have a friend or a professional review it too. Now, let's talk about the best online CV makers to help you create a professional and an eye-catching CV. First, we have the Canva. It offers a variety of CV templates with user-friendly drag and drop features. Perfect for those who want a visually appealing CV. Next is Zeti. It provides professional CV templates with an easy-to-use interface plus tips and examples to guide you. Next, we have Resume.io, which features modern and professional templates, and it even has a built-in cover letter generator. Well, that's it. With these essential CV tips and the best online CV makers, you will be on your way to landing your dream job abroad. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more career tips. And also check out the link in the description and the pinned comments for more. Thank you for watching and good luck with your job search.